Click Login. You can sign in using your Google account. Convert your investment thesis into objective financial filters by selecting a Create strategy. Set your investment criteria with multiple filters. Select the backtesting period, market cap universe, and benchmark index. Ask AI to help refine your strategy. You can backtest mutual funds and indices as well by switching to the Mutual Funds tab to search for any mutual fund to backtest. Indices tab to pick any indices to run the backtest. Once your strategy is ready, click Run Backtest. While the backtest runs, chat with AI to understand your strategy and explore ways to improve it, or challenge yourself with a quick investment quiz. Once the backtest is complete, proceed to the Overview section, which provides a complete snapshot of historical performance. Review portfolio growth, key statistics, and AI-generated insights. The Portfolio section shows the stocks selected by the strategy across different years and market environments. Rolling returns are the heart of the backtesting process. This section shows how the strategy performed across different holding periods, market cycles, and starting dates. Average returns shows the typical outcomes investors experienced, while risk and risk-adjusted returns help evaluate the balance between return and risk. Study return distributions, drawdowns, and recovery periods to understand both the best and worst investor experiences. Confidence intervals show the range within which returns have historically remained. Probabilities estimate the likelihood of achieving different return targets across investment horizons. The Fundamentals section answers an important question. Why did this strategy work? Analyze metrics such as revenue growth, profit growth, ROCE, valuation, and market cap growth. Compare company fundamentals before and after selection. This shows whether the strategy discovers strong companies before the market recognizes them, how their earnings and valuations evolve after selection, and which factors ultimately drive investment returns. The Conclusion and Inference section brings everything together. Review the key findings and download the latest portfolio if you wish to invest. Explore professionally managed strategies built using the same rule-based investment philosophy and see how they are performing in live markets. Every strategy you create is automatically saved in My Strategies. Return anytime and continue your research from where you left off.